Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Sniffle Souls number 30, I think. So, we could go that way, because there are some stairs leading down there. However, I did also say that we might kill her. But we might not. But we might. And this is the body of that thing that Artorias threw at us, which doesn't have ragdoll apparently. But what I said we were going to do was come down here. Yes. Indeed. I hope it's not the abyss down here. Like if you get like abyssal corruption be a thing when you're walking in the water. Because otherwise we might need Artorias as a ring. Because these dog-like creatures look mildly corrupted to me. And dogs are a bane of existence in these games, so I'm probably going to end up dying. At least I can one-shot them. But they do a hefty bit of damage. I want to see if I can one-shot them with one-handing my weapon, but I didn't think it was worth it when there was two of them to attack at once. Brave warrior soul. Understood. Can you get through here? Is there anything? No. It's just where some water's coming from. Okay. Ah, no, I forgot to unequip iron flesh. Oh well, I suppose it might still come in useful. Aha. I can one-shot them. And they're doing... I'm assuming that's either bleed or poison. I'm not sure, because if they're corrupted, then they might be, like, poisoning me via abyss from their teeth. Because the abyss is kind of a mixture between a liquid and a gas, if you ask me. That's what it seems like. Hey there. Do you wanna die? Yeah. It's a shame, because you look like a pretty cool dog. But, if you're gonna try and kill me, then I'm gonna return the favor. Hiya! I do wonder. This looks seamed. No? Okay. Ooh, a gateway. Interesting. Okay, that's a dragon. As far as I'm aware. Oh no. Oh no. I haven't started a boss fight, have I? I believe I might have. This looks like a boss battle arena. This is totally a trap. I can't. I've got 53k souls and I need to use them to level up a little bit. I'm going to get up my attunement, actually. So then I'll have 2 attunement slots and can use Great Chaos stuff. There we go. Now then. Getting up my strength some more, I suppose. That was a large change in levels of souls. I don't like the sound you can hear, like the breathing. Can you get through here? No? Okay. Right. Oh man, I still didn't change iron flesh to the other thing. As we're only a couple meters away, I may as well still do it. And then test out what it is. That one, 2... Should we go for the fireball? Yeah. Let's have a look, shall we? Awesome. Wonder how much damage it does. She's still here? No, she's left. Damn it. No murder for me, I guess. Alrighty then. I'll admit, I am curious as to what is up here, as opposed to up there, because this is across the bridge. So, let's do this thing. Oh, it's just back here. Well, I suppose this might work as a little test. Oh, it doesn't reach them. Well, that sucks. Its damage does not seem to be that amazing either. And I died. Oh well. I didn't have any humanity or anything, so it's not that important. And now we can go back and see whether I was right about the dragon. Because I feel that's what we're going to be battling, where all those little items are. That's not worrying at all. I want to find the bloody fourth of the knights. Because we know where Ornstein was. We killed him. We know where Artorias was. We killed him. We gave his soul to the assassin-y knight person. But we don't know. Now we don't know where assassin-y knight person is because she's not there anymore. I'm pretty sure Artorias didn't die there. I'm pretty sure he died more like here. But oh well. Yeah. It's a bit iffy, that is. Because I know that the fourth knight is up high. Like on the top of a thing. But that's about all I know. I have a small idea where it might be if the layout to this place is, you know, kind of similar to it in the future, like Lordran, as opposed to the simple Ulasil. Then it might be where the gate to that you got to use the crest of Artorias to open is. Because it looks like up there is the same as that, where that place leads to. Boom. Oh no, I've got an itchy arm and an itchy wrist. Maybe if I use my itchy wrist to itch my itchy arm. No? Oh no, I don't think my itchy wrist's gonna go away. It's sad times, people. Sad, sad times. But yeah, that water's definitely very black. It's corrupted. Right. I'm not going to go straight to them. There's a note on the ground, which is going to be a note that's just from... Yep, dragon. Oh, yep, sure, that's fine. It's fine, just, you know, one-shot me. Why not? That's lovely. Absolutely fucking marvelous. I'm not even mad. Not even mad. You know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna come this way. Don't know whether this is going to lead me anywhere useful, but... Oh, hello. Where did you drop? A large titanite shard. That's nice. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Large soul of a proud connect. I wonder how squishy these people are. Well, it didn't kill it. Wow, man. You may be kind of squishy, but so am I. Okay, so you can two-shot them like that, and my attacks do stagger, so that's alright. Can you wear that? Or is that a usable item? You can wear it. You just can equip their head. Well, I suppose that's something. It's probably... I don't know why, but I always assume illusion walls everywhere. So, just gonna have a quick gander. There's lots of leaves here. No? Okay. It's not very likely to be illusion walls, I don't think, around here. Oh, is that something you got to unlock from the other side? I heard laughing, and I'm slightly worried I'm going to get attacked. Oh. Oh, there are stairs there. Did not realise that. Maybe. I'm assuming that is something you got to unlock from the other side. Which I assume you get to through coming down here. What is that? I'm assuming it's some sort of like summoner. Or spellcaster. Oh. I'm surprised I saw you. If you hadn't come out slightly then that would have been a very successful ambush you launched on me. I can go down there. Is there anything through here? Oh. Oh, I say. Mighty fine work, Reverend. Mighty fine. Don't fall. Okay, that one I'm very mad about, and I can openly admit to that. Can't play for much longer. I've got other things I have to do, or at least get started on doing. Gosh darn it. Oh well. Wrong way. I'm gonna come this way again. Ulyseel Township. Prepare to get your ass handed to you. By I, the great and powerful Reverend, Lord of everything. Get murdered. Guys, calm down. I told you, I'm Lord of everything. You don't have a hope in hell. So, as I said, calm the crap down. Hello, guys. I'm assuming you're meant to, like, knock me off of that little bridge bit. Interesting. Hey there. Can I backstab you? I can. Oh, you do poison damage. That's interesting. Right, I do want to come down here and murder this one. Just because. I want to see what's over here. I really expected that to be one of those moving things. Oh, you can't tell whether it's a mimic or not. I'm glad I decided it was. Right, so there are some stairs I can go down, but I do want to test out that thing that I found when I fell off the edge last time. Before going down there. I just wanted to see what this was. Very good. I don't like the noises these people make. Oh. That was weird. Not sure if you saw that ragdolling occur. Just falling off the edge. Right, where's this? This thing. I've heard of this thing. Oh, that's amazing. What's it say? Head carved of arch trees by Go. In his imprisonment, Go imparts an emotion to each and every complete carving, which helps him achieve personal enlightenment. When a head is disturbed, it speaks, reflecting the emotion conferred to it. This head's very good. Have another look. Does it not appear quite jovial? Oh, that's amazing. Very good. Right, so I've got to make sure to actually go down the stairs this time, which is what I aimed to do last time, but it didn't work. Oh my. Hello. Don't have much space to maneuver down here, do you? That's not good. Okay, roll over here then. Can't get back now, but I'm assuming there's something to make it worth it. You're using abyss magic. That's interesting. Speaking of magic. Ow. Ow again. So much ow. Not a fan. Getting murdered. You know what, I'm not going to go down there yet. It's too evil for me. And I'm assuming it's heading down towards the abyss. Because those walls looked pretty abyssal. I do like the word abyssal though. It's a good word. So I guess we're going to head towards where Mimic Town was. In the next episode of Sniffle Souls. I hate to leave off where we left off last time, but alack, alas, I will not. I'll move on slightly. I'll just kill a couple of these guys. But yeah, my name has been James, your name's been whatever the hell you're called. I'd like to, again, thank you for watching. If you're new to the series, then thank you for joining, and feel free to watch it from the start. There should be a playlist on the channel somewhere. I have to say that, man, do I love this game. And appreciate everyone who watches it, because it makes me feel happy that I can make people entertained and hopefully happy in their own lives. Yeah, that's about it. Your name's been whatever the hell you're called. Don't know if I already said that, but oh well. And yeah. I guess I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop.